Welcome back to episode 3 of FranklinWH Friday. This is our most exciting episode yet because we're introducing the monthly award and for the first time our quarterly award, so don't miss it. I'm Brandon Sanchez, Director of Marketing here at FranklinWH, and I'm thrilled to be your host today. So FranklinWH has launched the August photo and video contest on social media, which is open to both installers and homeowners. Participants have the chance to win amazing prizes, including the iPad or GoPro. So stay tuned, I'll be revealing the winners at the end of this segment. Recently, FranklinWH conducted a survey on how 1,000 US adults feel about power and climate concerns. Over half worry about their area's vulnerability to hurricanes, heat waves, and more. With 80% fearing power disruptions, many see outages as a looming threat, especially during summer. The survey reveals a strong willingness among respondents to pay extra for uninterrupted power during mass outages. 72% are ready to invest beyond their utility bills for this assurance. The study indicates openness to community microgrids and energy-saving incentives, with 75% willing to curtail energy usage for rewards. Homeowners can reduce grid energy usage during peak times by tapping into stored power, ensuring uninterrupted daily routines. So, breathe easy. FranklinWH's home power system is here to make your worries vanish and your energy dreams come true. Today, let's look at the smart circuits. You may have heard of the term before, but what does the term actually mean and how do they function? So smart circuits are an optional module that can be placed into our A-gate, and it can optimize energy usage, enhance efficiency, and intelligently manage energy consumption. And you can actually remotely control them through the FranklinWH app. The smart circuits can work on an automated schedule created by you, and you can manually turn them on or off. This means unique and heavy appliances can be directly controlled to only run during off-peak, low energy price times, or they can also be shut off during outages to extend battery runtime for important loads. I've reviewed all of this month's submissions, and I wanted to say thank you again for everyone who took the time to participate in this contest. I love seeing all of the systems out in the wild. SB Solar Group, congratulations, you have won the monthly award. Our team will be in contact with you. Congratulations, Aether Energy, you are our winner of the quarterly award. The FranklinWH photo and video contest for August is now launched on social media, so be sure to enter your new submission to be eligible for the August premium gift package. Stay tuned and follow us for more information, and I'll see you next time.